another video. This is another unboxing. Like I said in my last video, I did buy a few things while we were in quarantine. This is actually a black owned business, Nigerian to be exact. Her name is Dami. She created this line called Cosmic Aura. It's like skincare, hair care. It's actually really funny. We went to church for the longest time. Our families know each other, you know, the Nigerian community in CT isn't like that big. Everyone knows everyone or knows of someone. So we went to church together. You know, we grew up and you know, she did her thing. She's married. She started this line because she, like I said, she's a pharmacist and a herbologist as well. And so she used to create a lot of natural hair care, skincare stuff. And I was like, of course I gotta support my girl Dami. I gotta support Nigeria, just black women in general, just black owned things. If this revolution pandemic has taught you anything, it's time for us to start investing in our community. The black dollar does have power. You know, after I'm going to see if I can substitute some of my Lush stuff with her stuff or other black owned businesses, because I found out that the CEO of Lush was going around giving care packages to police officers in the midst of the whole George Floyd, Breonna Taylor protest. Granted, he was in the UK, but still, it's like, read the fucking room, my guy. Okay, so the package just got here really fast. I think I placed it, like, it dropped June 1st. It was at my door by like June 3rd, so quick shipping. Then again, I am in the tri-state area, so like maybe that plays into it, but great shipping. The website is beautiful. I might put a screen recording of the layout of the website. It's beautiful. It's very easy to navigate. She does have categories for whatever you need. I just got two things just because I just wanted to try it, you know, support her. It's just wild that I really like went to church with this woman and now she has a full-fledged business and it's beautiful. So yeah, sorry, I shifted my whole camera. Okay, here's the package. I ordered, I think, a body butter and some hair oil because I don't know what to do with my like hair when it's like in this pressed state. So I was like, let me get some hair oils in this bitch, you know. I only know two styles when my hair is like kind of in a semi-straight state. I either do a half up, half down, or ponytail. So ain't nothing new. Same shit, same shit. I hope everyone is okay. I hope you guys are taking mental breaks. If you're like me, you do have the tendency to get overwhelmed with social media, and it's just kind of disheartening to see hashtag after hashtag after hashtag. And whether it was today or 5 months ago, it could be very overwhelming to your spirit and energy. So please take the breaks that you need in order to recharge, because mental health is important. So like, please take the time to recuperate. Whew. I'm chatty. Okay. She packaged it really well. Like I said, I just got two things. That's what it looks like. Okay. So, ooh, yo, I'm proud of her. Nothing. So I got the triple whipped body butter. It's cocoa, mango, and shea with body butter. I recently just shaved for the first time, so I am very, 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 very smooth. So, oh, it smells delicious. Like, melts in the skin so beautifully. Cannot wait. We about to be glistening. This plus the Body Lava by Rihanna. Okay, period. I'm about to be shimmering on you hoes. Shimmering. Just kidding. Okay, like I said, here is the it just says thank you, and then oh, like I said, she gave me a little personalized note saying, "Dear Not Good," that is my Nigerian name if you want to call me that. Thank you so much for your purchase and support of my business. Your support means the world to me. I hope you have a great experience with the Cosmic Ora skincare. Babes, we love personalized notes on this channel. Okay. Yeah, of course. Like I said, I ordered on June 1st and it arrived June 3rd. And then we're gonna get to the hair oil. I will, if anyone's interested, I guess I could do like, will I see any real growth? I don't know. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see, there's like roots and stuff. This is the hair growth oil. It is 8 fluid ounces, 8 ounces, sorry, but smells really good though. Like, you know how like some hair growth stuff can smell really like medicinal or just really like not that pleasant, but this is the opposite. I do love these applicators just because for me personally, I tend to lose the cap in my bathroom, so if I have the ability to twist it, that's another great thing. I think the labeling is phenomenal. She did a great job. Support. I will give prices as well because I know that matters. Okay, it's not on here. But if I'm not mistaken, I think the triple whip was somewhere between like $20 plus, and the oil was also $20 plus as well. I will have accurate pricing on the screen. Just right now when I'm filming, I don't always have that on hand, but it will be on the screen along with the website. And this is really great. Support a Black owned business. Let's support the Black dollar. The Black dollar does in fact have power, so let's do it. Do what you can. Okay, all right babes, thanks for being here with me on this unboxing, and I'll see you on the next time. Peace.